Hi everyone, this is me Farheen and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little different than my previous videos because today I'm going to be sharing 5 beauty hacks for using a toothbrush. So the first beauty hack is to tame your flyaways. If you are experiencing some baby hair on your hairline or some flyaways, then this tool is perfect for you to tame it down. You just have to spritz some hairspray on it and tame it down over your flyaways. Let me show you how. Another way you can use this brush is to groom your eyebrows when they become messy. If you're running late to go somewhere and you're left with no time, then just grab this brush and get your eyebrows in order. I wish I wasn't one of your exes. No, I'm the fool. Since you've been gone, been dancing on my own. This boy's up in my zone, but they can't turn. Okay, so this brush works great for exfoliating your lips, and to do that, apply any lip balm or a petroleum jelly on your lips, then scrub your lips in a circular motion. I have my lipstick on, so I'm just gonna pretend that मैंने lip balm लगाया है. 'Cause baby you're the only one I'm coming for. I can't take no more, no more, no more. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. But I like to party. Touch, but I got nobody here on my own. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Since the day we parted. And yes, it will not only remove the dead skin cells, but will give your lips a pouty look. But I got nobody, so you can also use this brush to give volume to your hair. Just grab a thin section from the crown area or any other area and brush it downwards towards your scalp. It's so low. You have given some volume, it's time to smooth out the flyaways on top layer of your section. Oh, yeah. Try to with someone new. Since you've been gone, I've been dancing on my own. This boy's up in my zone, but they can't turn me on. 'Cause baby you're the only one I'm coming for. Okay, so if you have planned to do your streaks at home, so using this brush is your best decision ever. Since the bristles of these brushes are very fine and close to each other, they can be used for applying the color very evenly and neatly. So yeah, this was it. I hope you have enjoyed these 5 beauty hacks for using single toothbrush, and I hope and I'm sure that you're gonna try these beauty hacks at your home. If you guys like this video, give this video give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. So don't forget to subscribe so you can watch more of my future videos.